In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $3,000 in one day from CPA marketing using content locking from any CPA network of your choice. And I'm going to show you how to do this using Instagram free traffic. And as you can see right here, these are two posts that I put up on Instagram, and you can see one of them got 10,000 views in less than 3 hours. And I'm going to show you how to do everything in today's video, and I'm also going to show you how to direct the traffic to a landing page. Once people come over to this landing page and they click on this download, your content locker is going to pop up and you make money. So if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online, and if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is to come over to this website, modeyolo.com, which hosts a lot of apps and mobile games that people can download for free. All right. So once people come over to this website, all they simply need to do is to search for the game using this search bar, or they can come over to any of these categories and they can download any game or app of their choice. So what we are going to be doing here is to content log these mobile apps or games that people are looking for, and we are going to be using this to make money. All right, so for me, I am going to take this app right here, Pokemon Go, as an example, but like I said, you can use any other app or mobile game of your choice. So I'm going to click on this app right here. So if I come over to this app, you can see right here, people are going to get these features when they download this app. So once you select any app of your choice, the next step is to create a landing page for this game. All right, so now you want to go over to site.google.com to create a very simple landing page like this in less than 2 minutes. So once you come over to Google site, all you simply need to do is to click on this button which says create new site. And once you come over here, you want to basically delete the whole of this section, and you want to come over to this text box, and this is where you want to go back to this website, and you want to simply copy the name of this app or game, and you want to simply paste that right here. So the next thing you want to do is to grab some images from this page that you want to upload on your landing page. So I'm going to take this image here as an example. All you simply need to do is to right click and save the image to your device. So to add the image to your landing page, you want to click on this image button and you want to click on upload. So once you've added about 2 images like this, you want to then double click here. You want to add another text, and here you want to type in something like start playing Pokemon Go on your mobile device today. So once you type this, the final thing you want to then do is to add a clickable button. All right, and this is where you want to type in download. All right, so once you type in download, then you want to paste in your content locker link right here, which we will be creating in a moment from cpagrip.com. You want to then make sure to go for URL file locker, and you want to select any template of your choice right here. So once you select any template, you want to then come to this section that says logged URL. Then this is where you want to go back and copy the URL from this website, and you want to just simply paste in the link in this box. So then you want to type in something like complete one offer below to download Pokemon Go, and you want to type in the features you are going to get once they download this app. All right, you want to also make sure to click on this auto show offers, and this is all you need to do to create a simple content locker. And as always, you can ask people to complete more than one offer if you want to do that by simply going to the advanced section. So once you create your locker, all you just need to do is to click on save. So once you do that, then you want to come over to get links and you want to copy your locker link. Then you want to simply go back to your landing page on Google site, and you want to paste in your locker link right here, and you want to click on insert. So this is all you need to do to create your landing page. All right, and once you're done, you want to simply click on publish, and here you want to give your landing page a name. So once you type in any name for your landing page, all you simply need to do is to click on publish. The next step is to create an Instagram account by simply going over to instagram.com, but I highly recommend you do this on your mobile device. All you simply need to do is to click on the sign up button, and you can create an account with your Facebook or your Google account. So you want to create a brand new Instagram account like this, and you want to make sure in your bio you add a link that's going to take people to your landing page, which is the landing page we created on Google site. All right, so now once you've created your account, then you want to start adding content to your account, and to do this, you're going to be using canva.com. And if you come over to canva.com, you want to simply type in Reels right here. So once you type in Reel, you want to make sure to click on this Instagram Reels video. And I'm first of all going to show you an example of videos that I use to promote this game on my account. So here is an example of a short video that I use to promote this game on my account, and as you can see, it says link in bio. So once you come over to Canva, as you can see, there are a lot of templates that have been made available that you can use to create videos right away. So this is the exact template that I use, or feel free to use any other template of your choice. So once you click on any template, you want to then simply click on customize this template. You want to then go over to YouTube to get content that you're going to be using with that template. And to do this, it's very simple. You want to just type in Pokemon gameplay on YouTube, and you want to make sure to come over to filter section to make sure to go for Creative Commons videos only. So if you do this, it's going to show you a lot of Creative Commons videos that you can download, and you can convert that video into snippets that you can use to promote this game. So once you download any video, you want to basically come over to the upload section and you want to upload that video. So once you download the video, all you simply need to do is to drag and drop the video like this. Okay, and here you can then come over to this text and you can then type in whatever you want right here. And then for this section, you can come over here and type in link in bio. You can also change this font if you want to do that. So once you do that, if I preview this video, as you can see, it's going to tell people to download this game by clicking on the link in bio. So all you need to do once you're done is to click on the share button, and you want to scroll down to where it says download. And if you do this, you'll be able to download this video right away to your device. So once you download the video, all you simply need to do is to upload it to your Instagram account like I did. So the next thing you want to then do is to come over to Facebook and you want to join Instagram engagement groups. So you want to type in Instagram engagement group and you want to click on groups. If you do this, you're going to see thousands of Instagram engagement groups that people use to post their content on Instagram. All you need to do is to join as many of these groups as possible. You need to create multiple Facebook accounts to join so many groups so that once you share your content in this group, you are going to get an instant boost to the video you uploaded on your Instagram account. All you need to do once you join any of the group is to type in something like this: I need engagement, watch, like and comment on my Instagram videos and I will do the same back, plus I will follow you back ASAP. And then you want to leave a link to your Instagram account. Like I said, this is not my account. I am only using this as an example. So once you're done with this, all you simply need to do is to click on post. And like I said, you want to join as many groups as possible. You can see these type of groups are getting a lot of engagement, as you can see right here. And once Instagram notices your video is getting a lot of engagement right after being uploaded, your video is going to be pushed to more people who are interested in that content. So you want to repeat this same process for as many games as possible and you will be making money in passive income.